Hey guys, in this video I will show you the 5 best apps like Notion for Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you love Notion for organizing notes, tasks, and databases but want Android-friendly alternatives with similar power and flexibility, here are 5 of the best apps like Notion for Android. The first one is Evernote. Evernote is a versatile note-taking app with powerful organization features like notebooks, tags, attachments, and search perfectly for capturing ideas and managing projects on the go. The next is Microsoft OneNote. OneNote offers a flexible, free-form canvas where you can mix text, images, checklists, and drawings. Great for structured notes and collaborative work. After that is Coda. Coda brings docs, spreadsheets, and powerful building blocks into one app, letting you create customizable workflows and team tools on your Android device. Another great choice is Obsidian. Obsidian focuses on linked notes and a graph view that helps you connect ideas with Markdown-based pages. Especially useful if you like building a personal knowledge base. The last one is ClickUp. ClickUp combines task management, docs, and wikis in one platform, with strong Android support and plenty of customization for personal and team productivity. These alternatives offer a mix of note-taking, project organization, and customizable workspaces on Android. Pick the one that suits how you like to plan, organize, and create. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.